In this video, we are going to learn about DHT11 or DHT22 temperature sensor. I'm going to work on DHT11 sensor today, but you can use DHT22 by following the instructions shown in this video. Voltage requirement for both sensor is 3.3 volts minimum up to 6 volts maximum. The measurement range of DHT11 is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, and for DHT22 it's -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. Temperature accuracy for DHT11 is ±2 degrees Celsius, and for DHT22 it's ±0.5 degrees Celsius. The sensor has 4 pins. First pin is VCC, which goes to 5 volts on the Arduino. Fourth pin is ground, which goes to ground. Second pin is the data pin, which you can connect on any digital pin you like. I'm going to connect it on pin 10. We need a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor between data and 5 volts to pull the data line high. Pin 3 is not needed, and that's about it for the wiring. We're going to need a library for this sensor, which you can download it from the link in the description. After that, go ahead and import the library and open the DHT tester example sketch. Now we need to modify the sketch for it to work. First, change the defined DHT pin to the digital pin where you have connected your sensor. I have connected mine on pin 10, so I'm going to change that to 10. Now we have to tell the compiler what sensor type we are using by simply uncommenting the one we are and commenting the one we are not. In this case, DHT type DHT11. Now we are ready to upload. By opening up the serial monitor, we can see that a sensor is showing the humidity and temperature. I wrote a simple code that can display the values on the 16:2 LCD. The code is very easy to understand, and you can find the link in the description to download this code. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.